At the press conference, Tiffany Murphy, Chief Consular Section of the U.S. Embassy in Hanoi, announced the content of the adoption program between the two countries. This event also marks the effective date of the U.S. to start processing Hague Convention adoptions from Vietnam through the Special Adoption Program, which focuses on children with special needs, children aged 5 and older, and children in biological sibling groups.
The beneficiaries of this program are going to be two different groups. One is the prospective adoptive parents from the United States. These are parents, mothers, fathers, who are willing and able and want to take a special needs child into their home and make it their permanent home so that they can grow up in a loving home environment rather than an orphanage, as well as obviously the other beneficiaries are the children.
Before 2008, Vietnam was among nations that many U.S. citizens visited and applied for adoptions. From September 2005 to July 2008, around 1,700 Vietnamese children had been adopted by U.S. citizens. But after 2008, due to issues in legal framework, the two countries failed to extend the adoption program. With its setting up of orphans database, the amendments of law on adoption, Vietnam shows its commitment in closely monitoring the adoption process and partnering with the U.S. in the program again.
Vietnam has made great progress in improving its legal framework. In 2008, Sweden, Ireland and the United States did not extend their adoption programs with Vietnam, but now they all come back, including the United States. It clearly shows that Vietnam has improved the practicality of the legal framework towards international standards in terms of child protection.
As well as being an example of improvements in bilateral relationship, as the two countries move towards their 20th anniversary of relation normalization, the active partnering of Vietnam and the U.S. in this adoption program also opens opportunities for American couples to adopt Vietnamese children and provides Vietnamese orphans a family with better care.